Good morning, this is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson with your weekly weather briefing this April 3rd, 2017. We had a severe weather event with locally heavy rain across much of the region this past Sunday. This led to copious amounts of rainfall across our area and has placed the rivers, many of them, on rise and some in flood stage. The rain is expected to end from the west today, and the clouds will clear from the west as well as the cold front shifts across the area today. Another cold front is expected on Wednesday, followed by cooler and drier weather that will last into the weekend. A much drier week overall is in store. Okay, the past rainfall amounts started out in the southwest, and then the axis set up very near the Interstate 20 corridor, where copious amounts of rain fell within a 24-hour period. This led to river rises and many flash floods across the area. In fact, there was flooding still occurring this morning. Nearly 6 to 8 inches of rain fell across the Interstate 20 corridor from Vicksburg almost over to Meridian. There was a hydrologic response in response to the amount of rainfall over the past 24 hours. And then from this graphic, you can see that we have at least one river on the Black River that is in moderate flooding, with a couple in minor flooding, and then several points along the Pearl River that are near flood stage. As we get into today's forecast, we're expecting the low pressure system that's still centered over the mid-Mississippi River Valley to gradually move out to the northeast. This will drag a cold front across our area and bring an end to the rain, and we'll see gradual clearing of skies from the west as well. So by this evening, we're looking for nearly clear skies and much drier weather. As far as the temperatures go today, they'll still be well above normal, and these are the rain chances that we're expecting this morning. You can see widespread rain across eastern Mississippi is expecting, but this will be coming to an end later this morning. As we get into tonight, we're looking for temperatures to generally be in the mid to upper 50s under mostly clear skies. Our normal lows run in the upper 40s to near 50, so these temperatures are still above normal. Tuesday will be warm and mostly sunny. We're still expecting dry conditions across the area, and these temperatures in the low to mid 80s are nearly 10 degrees above normal as well, because our normal lows, our normal highs, run in the low to mid 70s for this time of year. Our next cold front will approach the area late Tuesday night. There will be chances of rain across the southeast after midnight, and then generally low chances of light rain across our area Wednesday morning into the early afternoon hours as the cold front races east across the area. At this time, we're not expecting any severe weather associated with this cold frontal system. The main impact will be much cooler and drier air in its wake. By Thursday, we'll be looking for the low pressure system to be well departed to the northeast. High pressure centered over the central United States will be building in from the west. One thing that's not depicted in this scenario is the upper level trough associated with the low pressure system that will linger over the area and maintain cooler and drier temperatures into the weekend. By the time we get to Sunday, the upper level trough will have shifted east and surface high pressure will be to the east of the area. Another low pressure system will be taking shape over the central United States, and the warm air advection ahead of this system will lead to warmer than normal temperatures again. Overall, this week will be much drier than we saw last week. And you can see from this graphic, we're looking for less than 1/10 of an inch across the area. And basically, the heaviest rainfall is expected across the southeast, and that'll be associated with the cold front on Wednesday. That concludes this week's multimedia weather briefing, and as always, thanks for viewing the National Weather Service Jackson's briefing.